If you're receiving AOW state pension in the Netherlands right now, there are multiple opportunities in 2026 to claim extra money that you might be entitled to but aren't automatically receiving. And thousands of Dutch seniors are leaving hundreds or even thousands of euros unclaimed each year simply because they don't know these benefits exist or how to apply for them. The AOW, or Algemeen Ouderdomswet, provides the foundation of retirement income for every Dutch resident who reaches the state pension age, currently set at 67 years old. But the basic AOW amount of approximately 1,423 euros per month for singles and 1,949 euros for couples is often insufficient to cover all living expenses, especially for seniors facing high housing costs, medical expenses, or limited additional income. What many retirees don't realize is that the Dutch government provides several supplementary benefits specifically designed to top up AOW income for those in financial need, including rent assistance that can provide up to 348 euros per month, healthcare allowance reaching up to 146 euros monthly, and special supplements for seniors with partners below pension age or dependent children. Additionally, changes to eligibility criteria in 2025 and 2026 mean that some seniors who were previously ineligible may now qualify, while others who never applied because they assumed they wouldn't qualify might actually be entitled to substantial additional payments. You need to understand exactly what extra money is available, whether you qualify, and how to claim it before missing out on benefits that could fundamentally improve your financial situation in retirement. The AOW system, established in 1957, was designed as a universal state pension providing basic income security for all Dutch residents upon reaching retirement age. Funded through a pay-as-you-go system where current workers' contributions finance current retirees' benefits. For decades, the AOW amount has been tied to the statutory minimum wage, ensuring that it adjusts with the cost of living and wage developments in the broader economy. However, policymakers have long recognized that the flat AOW amount, while providing a foundation, leaves many seniors vulnerable to poverty, particularly those without substantial occupational pensions or personal savings. This recognition led to the development of a comprehensive system of income supplements and allowances administered primarily through the Sociaalverzekeringsbank, or SVB, which manages AOW payments, and the Belastingdienst, which administers the toeslagen benefits system. The Rent Assistance Program, or Huurtoeslag, has existed since 1970 but has undergone numerous reforms, with the most recent significant changes implemented in 2023 to expand eligibility and increase maximum amounts in response to the housing affordability crisis affecting Dutch seniors. Healthcare allowance, or Zorgtoeslag, was introduced in 2006 alongside the reformed healthcare insurance system and provides crucial support for low and middle-income households struggling with mandatory insurance premiums that currently average around 150 euros per month. In recent years, approximately 1.2 million Dutch households receive Huurtoeslag and roughly 4.5 million individuals receive Zorgtoeslag. Yet research by NIBUD, the Dutch National Institute for Family Finance Information, consistently shows that between 10 and 15% of eligible seniors fail to claim benefits they're entitled to, representing millions of euros in unclaimed support annually. The reasons for non-claiming are varied. Some seniors find the application process too complex. Others are unaware the benefits exist. Many assume they earn too much to qualify without actually checking, and some feel stigma or pride that prevents them from seeking assistance, even when genuinely needed. The extra money available to AOW recipients in 2026 comes through several distinct programs, each with specific eligibility criteria and application procedures that you must understand. First and most significant is Huurtoeslag, the rent assistance benefit available to renters with income below certain thresholds and rent falling within specified limits. For 2026, single AOW recipients with annual income below approximately 26,000 euros and couples with combined income below roughly 35,000 euros may qualify if they rent a property with monthly rent between 250 euros and 879 euros and have assets below 36,600 euros for singles or 73,200 euros for couples. The maximum monthly Huurtoeslag in 2026 can reach €348, though the actual amount depends on your specific income, rent, and household composition, calculated through a complex formula that reduces benefit amounts as income and rent increase. Second is Zorgtoeslag, the healthcare allowance available to anyone with income below the threshold. Not just AOW recipients, but particularly valuable for seniors on fixed incomes. For 2026, individuals with annual income below approximately €37,000 and couples below €47,000 may qualify for monthly healthcare support up to €146 for singles and €292 for couples, again with exact amounts depending on precise income levels. Third, if you're receiving AOW but your partner hasn't yet reached state pension age, you may be entitled to a partner supplement or partnertoeslag, which provides additional income to compensate for the fact that your household has only one AOW recipient. This supplement, integrated directly into your AOW payment, can add hundreds of euros monthly and is automatically calculated if your partner is registered at your address and meets income criteria. Fourth, if you have dependent children while receiving AOW, which is increasingly common as some people have children later in life or are raising grandchildren, you may qualify for child benefit or kinderbijslag, which continues regardless of parental age. Fifth, for seniors with very low income and minimal assets who still face financial hardship despite other benefits, there's Bijzonder Bijstand, special assistance provided by municipalities for exceptional costs like dental work, household appliances, or other essential expenses not covered by regular income. The consequences of claiming or failing to claim these extra benefits are substantial and directly impact your quality of life in retirement. If you're entitled to the maximum combination of Huurtoeslag and Zorgtoeslag, you could receive nearly €500 additional per month, or approximately €6,000 annually. Money that transforms your financial situation from struggling to managing comfortably, allowing you to afford proper nutrition, maintain social connections, heat your home adequately in winter, and handle unexpected expenses without crisis. For many AOW recipients living on the edge of financial security, these benefits represent the difference between dignity and deprivation in old age. However, the risks of not claiming are equally clear. Benefits are not paid retroactively beyond a limited period, typically only the month you apply plus potentially a few months prior, meaning years of unclaimed benefits are permanently lost money you can never recover. Many seniors rationalize that they can manage without applying, but this often leads to harmful coping strategies like inadequate heating, skipping medical care, social isolation due to inability to afford activities, or accumulating debt that compounds financial stress. There's also the risk of losing eligibility without realizing it. Your income and assets must be reported accurately, and changes in your situation, like receiving an inheritance, selling property, or your partner beginning to work can affect eligibility, requiring you to notify authorities immediately to avoid overpayment demands later. You must take specific actions immediately to determine your eligibility and claim any extra money you're entitled to receive. First, gather your essential financial documents, including your most recent annual income tax return showing your total income from all sources, your most recent wealth tax statement showing your total assets including savings accounts and investments, your rental contract showing your monthly rent amount if you're a tenant, and your healthcare insurance policy showing your monthly premium. Second, visit the official Toeslagen website at toeslagen.nl and use their online eligibility checker tools, which allow you to input your financial information and receive an immediate preliminary assessment of whether you qualify for Huurtoeslag, Zorgtoeslag, or other benefits. These calculators are designed to be user-friendly and provide reliable estimates. Third, if the calculator suggests you may be eligible, immediately submit formal applications through your Huurtoeslag login account, which you can access using your DigiD digital identification. The application process is entirely digital and guides you through each required field, but you must complete it carefully and accurately.